Good morning, children. In the last videos, children, we have studied the monsoon season and the retreating monsoon. The major rainfall received by the country during the summer monsoon time. Almost all part of the country receives heavy, medium or low rainfall. And by the retreating monsoon season, only the Tamil Nadu coast or the eastern coast receives some amount heavy rainfall for some time. But the amount of rainfall which is received during these two seasons is not same everywhere. They again vary from one place to another, because some places are lying on the windward side, some places are lying in the leeward side, some places comes first in the path of receiving rainfall, and some places comes at the last. So the amount of rainfall decreases as the wind starts moving further. So in this next topic, we are going to study the distribution of rainfall. Rainfall in India is not uniformly distributed. The amount of rainfall varies across seasons and places. The direction of monsoon winds and relief feature of a place greatly influence a rainfall distribution. Broadly, India has 4 rainfall regions. Very heavy rainfall, that is more than 200 centimeter. Heavy rainfall, 100 to 200 centimeter. Moderate rainfall, 50 to 100 centimeter. And scanty rainfall is less than 50 centimeter. Very heavy rainfall regions include the western coastal plain. Western coastal plain, this region, receives the heavy rainfall. The western slopes of Western Ghats, same region. The most of the northeastern state, that is this region. Even among these regions, some places receive over 400 centimeter rain annually. Heavy rainfall region include the Ganga Plain in Bihar and West Bengal, the Himalayan region, the northeastern part of the peninsular plateau, parts of Western Ghats, eastern coast and northeastern India. So these region receives heavy rainfall, means it is between 100 to 200 centimeter. Now moderate rainfall regions include the upper Ganga plain, eastern Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana and southern Kashmir, parts of Deccan Plateau covering Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. So they receive rainfall between 50 to 100 centimeter. So they are getting the moderate rainfall, means neither very high nor very low. A scanty rainfall region include western Rajasthan, southern Punjab and northern Gujarat, means the adjacent area of western Rajasthan. Eastern slopes of Western Ghats, which comes under the leeward side, and the northern part of Kashmir. Although India gets sufficient rainfall, a shortage of water exists. Okay, so this is irony, children, that India, our country, receives sufficient rainfall, but still we are suffering from shortage of water. This is mainly because the rainfall is concentrated in some months of the year. In places, heavy rainfall causes floods, while scanty rainfall causes droughts. Floods are common in Bihar, Assam, Orissa. Okay, many times in news you have heard. And while the states of Rajasthan and Gujarat often experience drought due to inadequate rainfall. So, Rajasthan, Gujarat, they are always facing drought condition because the rainfall which is received here is not sufficient. Therefore, proper water management is essential for India. Now, importance of monsoon. What is the importance of this rainy season? The monsoon are the overwhelming importance in India. Their impact is felt in every sphere of our lives, economic as well as socio-cultural. They influence us in the following ways. First, most of the Indian farmers are dependent on the monsoon rain for their agricultural activity. So, as in India, the irrigation system is not developed, though the country is an agricultural country, but due to lack of irrigation facility, still the farmers are depending for their work on the field on this monsoon wind. So, the agriculture is totally dependent on the monsoon winds. A good monsoon is very essential for adequate food production. So, if there would be good rainfall, then the production will be very good. Otherwise, if there would be inadequate rainfall, then it will put its impact on the harvest. Monsoons are uncertain and erratic in nature. Late arrival or early retreat of monsoon or a less than normal monsoon reduces crop yield. This raises food price and also affects agro-based industries. So, the production of agriculture totally concentrate on the amount of rainfall received. Because children, these monsoon winds are uncertain. There is no certainty for their arrival and departure, and they are erratic in nature, means anytime they can change their direction. So, the impact will be on the harvest, and if the harvest will not be proper, then it will there will be hike in the price of the commodity and the supply to the agro-based industries will not be proper, and country has to depend to fulfill the demand on other nations. The rain-fed rivers, streams, canals and tanks depend on the monsoons for their water supply. So, many rivers which are rain-fed, especially in South India, they depend on monsoon. If there will be good amount of rainfall, the rivers will have the water, otherwise they will dry up. So it will put impact on the water supply to the industries and to the domestic side. Monsoons play a significant role in the socio-cultural unity of India. These winds and the associated rain provide a rhythmic cycle of season that affect people from all walks of life and bind them together. Many festivities revolve around the monsoons and the cultural calendar. The common harvest festivals are Onam in Kerala, Pongal in Tamil Nadu, Baisakhi in Punjab and Bihu in Assam. So these monsoon winds, they also play a very significant, very important role in the socio-cultural unity of India. The different the different regions receives rainfall, and they enjoy different festivals which are completely related to monsoon, though the name is different, but they enjoy or they enjoy the festival just because of the harvest they get because of rainfall. So here some names of the festival are given, which is a harvest festival at different parts of country. Name is different, but the festival is one, that is harvest festival. Now, natural vegetation. India has diverse natural vegetation types owing to variation in the amount of rainfall and variation in the landform features. So children, as in the last videos you have seen that the amount of rainfall which is received by different region is not same, and the physical features which are present at different part of our country is also different from one region to another. That is why the amount of rainfall is also not same. So the India has different types of vegetation. First is tropical evergreen forest, tropical deciduous forest, thorn forest, mountain forest, and the tidal forest. In this video, up to here, thank you children. Have a nice day.